Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add more than maximum overlay in CapCut. So for instance, I'm just going to add this white screen as a background, and I'm just going to add the overlay. So previously you could just add 6 overlays, but now you can add more than 6 overlays. For example, you can see this um, 1, 2, 3, just add on top, 4, 5, 6, and try for 7 overlays. Yeah, you can add more 6 overlays now. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.